This is Nisha here, and today's topic is multiplying and dividing rational expressions. So here just simple fraction property we will use, like A by B multiply C by D. So we can simply multiply numerator and denominator with denominator. So this says that to multiply two fractions, we multiply their numerators and multiply their denominators. So let's do this question. Okay, so here we can factorize first x square plus 2x minus 3. So we have here this is actually quadratic trinomial, so we have to factorize what is here a product and what is sum. So product is -3 and sum is 2, so we have to choose two numbers which product is -3 and sum is 2. So 1 times 3 is 3, and here negative product, so it means a different sign, and larger number is positive because sum is positive, so larger number negative. So -1 times 3 is -3, and -1 plus 3 we get 2. So we got two numbers -1 and 3. x minus 1 and x plus 3. Okay, now this is another one, x square plus 8x plus 16. So product is 16 and sum is 8. So 4 times 4, 16, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So we choose two numbers 4 and 4, x plus 4, x plus 4. Multiply. From here we can take common 3. So x plus 4. From 3x we already taken out 3, so just x, and here 12 we get 3, so we choose 3, so 4 here because 3 times 4 12. And now we can write here x minus 1 as it is. We can't factorize this, it is already in factored form. And here we can use fraction property, numerator multiply with numerator. So x minus 1, x plus 3. 3 we can write in here in front of this, and here x plus 4, and here x plus 4, x plus 4, and x minus 1. Okay, so here what is common factor? X plus 4, x plus 4, and x minus 1 and x minus 1. So we can cancel this, and our final answer is 3 x plus 4, sorry, x plus 3 upon x plus 4, and this is the answer. Okay, now divide rational fractions. So here again we use property of fractions, like a upon b divided by c upon d. So when divide sign, because we can't divide direct, means fraction can't divide direct, so first we have to convert into multiplication, and second fraction is reciprocal, like c upon d, so we have to write d upon c. So this says that to divide a fraction by another fraction, we invert or inverse the divisor and multiply. Okay, so let's try this question. Here x minus 4 upon x square minus 4. Divide sign convert into multiply, and this fraction we invert or just make reciprocal. So this denominator now numerator, and this numerator now denominator. Okay, and simply multiply, but before simplify we have before multiply we have to factorize. So x minus 4 we can write as it is x square minus 4. So here we can write x square minus 2 square. So here we can use difference of squares formula. Like this, a plus b, a minus b, like this. So here we can write x plus 2, x minus 2 and multiply. Okay, so here x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is the quadratic trinomial and we have to solve like this. So product is 6 and sum is 5. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So we got two numbers which multiplication is 6 and sum is 5 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, now here product and sum. Here product is negative 4 and sum is negative 3. Okay, so 1 times 4 is 4 and their difference is 3. So here different sign but larger number is negative 3. Yeah, larger number is negative. So 1 times negative 4 is negative 4 and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So we got two numbers 1 and minus 4, which product is minus 4 and sum is minus 3, plus 1 and minus 4. Okay, so simply multiply here numerator numerator and denominator denominator. So x minus 4, x plus 2, x plus 3. Here x plus 2, x minus 2. Here x plus 1, x minus 4. And now we can check here what is common factor. So x minus 4 here, yes. So we can cancel out this. Now x plus 2, yes. And that's it. Now we can write our final answer. Just left here x plus 3. So no need to write parenthesis. Here x minus 2 and x plus 1. This is the answer. So very simple questions when multiply or divide rational fractions. So rational expressions. If you any doubt, any queries, so please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice time.